How to delete X account permanently. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your X application. Now it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now on the upper left, you will see your profile icon. Click on that and then scroll down up until you see settings and support. You just have to click on that and these options will come out. So next thing that you're going to do is to tap on settings and privacy. Now, the very first option there states your account. So basically, you will see your information about your account. So click on that and go here to the very last option where you can see deactivate your account. Now, the trick here is you just have to read through this. Now, there is no specific option that you can permanently delete your X or your Twitter account, right? But the thing here, if you tap on deactivate and just confirm your password and make sure to not open or to use it for the next 30 days, then it will automatically be deleted and your account will be permanently be deleted to effectively delete your account permanently. So what you're gonna do is you tap on your password and you just have to click on deactivate here and basically that is it. And that is how you delete your X Twitter account permanently. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.